All right, I have a question about duplicating views. I have these views right here that I want to duplicate and, put a new P2 in front of them. And so I have one definition that's working and one that's not, and I want to figure out why this one is not. So I'll show you the one that is working. If I unfreeze that guy. This one just gets a view set, so I have a view set in here. If I go to selected views and select, I have a view set that is just carrying those 4 plans, so that sort of sorts them for me, right? And that view set gets the views from the list, gets the element name as a string. This replaces P1 with P2, and then it duplicates the view. So I'm going to go ahead, this one doesn't work, so I'll go ahead and run it. So if I run that, you can see it duplicates those views and puts that new string in front of it, which is great. Now, I wanted to try and do it without using the view set. So just, getting all the view categories, getting the elements of those views, and then I remove the nulls. Element name is string, right? So we have all of the views, coming through here, right? And then sorting that by a Boolean mask that gets the P1 plans. So if I come in here, you'll see that I've got those separated out as the first list, and that comes out of the N right here. So if I do a watch and pull that in to there, and we run it, right, I get the P1 plans again. And that goes into the exact same block where it searches for P1 and P2 and into the view duplicate, but the view duplicate doesn't work, it breaks. And if I replace the view duplicate with the view type there with the view from here that have been sorted out by the set from the, right, so get the views from there to there and run it. Let me go ahead and disable this one and run it. It works. So I'm thinking it must be somehow the views. It's got to be a view and not a string.